Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mina and we are back with another video. It's been a second, I get it. Don't hate me, okay? I'm back. Not at the volume that we were looking at before. Your girl got 2 jobs now, okay? But I'm back. And we are coming back hot with an ISEE hair wig install. Super cute, super easy, pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-braided, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-everything, honey, okay? If you would like the full install tutorial and the details to this unit, stick around. But before you go, as always, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never find myself. It's been a while, y'all. I know. I had to take a little break. I feel like I started YouTube and I hit the ground running, full speed ahead, all engines a go, and I did not take a break. I have a full-time corporate job already, and then I also started a second job working at Lululemon. So with all of that, I definitely had to cut back on YouTube just a little bit, but I am back. I don't know if I will be producing YouTube videos at the rate and volume that I was before, but I definitely will practice consistency. So you will at least see videos coming out, you know, in a timeline that you can expect now instead of, you know, this 6-month gap that we experienced together. So yeah, happy to be back. Thanks for still tuning in to your girl. And today we are rocking with ISEE Hair. It's been a second, but they still love me too, clearly, so period. They have a super cute unit for me to try. It is pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-braided, pre-cut, pre-everything, and that's great because I'm actually running behind. I'm about to go on a double date with my boyfriend and my girlfriend and my girlfriend's boyfriend. So yeah, I have a ISEE Hair install to do. I got a Fashion Nova haul coming right after this, and I still have to make it on time to an 8 o'clock reservation for dinner. So this pre-everything wig is about to save my life. Let's do it. Of course, they're always coming with the packaging. Like, I would expect nothing less from ISEE. We're gonna open her up and boom. All right, let's see what we got. Why is my nose running? Ooh, she's cute. Let's see what they gave me. Some wig caps, a care guide, and I believe, perfect, a wig band. This one has the silicone grippies, that way it doesn't slide, and some extra combs. This is her, 20 inches. I didn't want anything too long. I feel like when I have curly hair, I don't want it going down my back. I just, you know, want it sitting right below my shoulders at the bra strap length. Not too much to take care of. Ooh, she's soft. And I haven't even taken off the net yet. Yo, look at that. Pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-braided, pre-cut, pre-bleached knots. Again, pre-everything. And then look at this. Oh, she's cute. I love a kinky curly defined unit. These combs are removable, so if you do not need any of the combs, you can easily pop them out. I, on the other hand, need them, so I will put them right back in. So, like I said, I do not have a lot of time. So even though I am a yapper, we're gonna be yapping and moving, okay? First thing I'm gonna do is tint my lace. So I have my Ruby Kisses. I always have all the products that I use for my wig installs linked down below in my Amazon storefront. So yeah, feel free to pick her up. Okay, I'm gonna just get a bunch of it on a brush just like this. I feel like this one perfectly matches my foundation color, and it also does match my natural skin color too. So we're just gonna tint her lace. Always want to make sure you get all of the front because that's what you're gonna see against your skin. I haven't decided if I want to use spray glue or real glue yet. I feel like I want to use real glue so I can wear this for a couple days, but you can absolutely wear this glueless. It's just like, do I want to take it off and on, or do I want to just keep it on? We'll try it on and then I'll decide. Even if I wanted to add glue, I'm not gonna install the cap because the glue would only be going right here. And I don't really have hair on this part of my head, my forehead. But if I was doing a frontal instead of a closure, for example, because I forgot to mention, this is a 9x6 closure. If I was doing a 13x4 frontal, I would definitely install the cap. That way I'm not putting glue directly on my edges. We're also gonna tint the cap because this is definitely not my skin color shade. You wanna make sure you get the base of the cap on your actual head where the parts are gonna be showing as well. Because your part wouldn't be white if you're black, girl. Come on. Okay, I feel like that's tinted enough. Let me just show y'all these braids again. Like, what? And we're gonna pop the wig on. So as you can see, it goes on nice and easy, and it honestly already looks like I don't need to do anything. We're definitely gonna pull it forward a bit more, but I'm feeling pretty good about it already. Just gonna tighten the wig band in the back, because if we're doing this glueless, you wanna make sure the wig band is nice and tight. That way your wig doesn't go anywhere, and it just honestly stays in the place that you want it. I'm feeling it. Trying to figure out what hairstyle that I wanna go for. I feel like I wanna go with the half up, half down thing all the way. Are we doing a behind the ears? I'm always gonna be a behind the ears person. I made sure I laid my edges, that way there's no like, I don't know, you can't really tell. Doesn't look too crazy. Like we could do a whole claw clip moment, you know what I mean? I think we're gonna go with this. I don't think we need to add any glue, honestly. I would be fine leaving it like this. Just make sure everything is tinted. Yeah, I could definitely do a glueless install. I also feel like I want to pick out underneath a little bit. And I'm saying underneath because I still want to keep the definition right here, but I want the volume. And I hate when you can see your neck through a wig. Like, what is that? Like you don't have enough hair on the wig or something. Like, what's going on, girl? I might take this, because I want this to stay behind my ear. And I might take this, go ahead and put it behind my ear, but like scrunchie them in the back. That way they stay in the style that I want it in. Yeah, so now that'll stay. I also feel like that'll help the wig stay in place too, but okay, so I'm gonna get this little thing that they gave me right here. This is not enough. No. So I'm gonna get some more hair right above the track, not on top of the track, because you don't want to be able to see it. And you can feel where the tracks are. And a scrunchie. And I'm just gonna put that into a little ponytail. And bam. I don't want to waste any more time, but I feel like this needs to be shaped. And I feel like if I shaped it, it will give it a nice little diva cut look. That's way cuter than what we got going on right here. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I like to shave it. That way I don't allow myself to get scissor happy. And then I cut like for detail. And it really helps if you have a mirror in front of you. That's what I'm looking at if you're wondering. This side is easier to cut, which is why I do this side last, because then I can just mirror what I did over here. So I would say start with your non-dominant side. And then it also gives it a little bit more volume too, because the hair isn't weighed down by the excess, you know? Cut that excess out your life. It's weighing you down. And I'm trying to decide if I want to do this thing right here or if I want to just leave it flat, because that's also cute. Or do I want it up here? Babe, can you come help me real quick? I need your opinion on something. Okay, so should I do this or should I do this
first?
Really? This doesn't look stupid, doesn't look crazy. I don't know. Okay, well, boyfriend says the first. I'm sure he's pleased that I listened to him for once after asking his opinion, because typically when I ask him, I'd be like, should I do this or this? And he'd be like this, and I do that. So I'm gonna do this. Ooh, I got this. Wait, hold on. Scrunchy or no scrunchy? He said scrunchy. This is cute. I like it. I'm feeling it. Make sure everything's all tinted up in these crevices, honey. I'm gonna probably add a little bit of bronzer too. But we're done. How's that for a comeback? Period. Again, I'm sorry I've been gone so long. The 2 jobs really got me. But anyway, big thank you to ISEE Hair for sending me this unit. As y'all can see, no glue, no plucking, no parting, no styling, other than like this little half up, half down thing that I did that they already kind of halfway did for me. I did like just a little bit of trimming just to give myself a little extra volume, and that's it. ISEE Hair makes it easy, okay? Easy breezy beautiful. Thanks to y'all for watching and coming back and still supporting after me being gone for like half a year. I will definitely commit to releasing videos with some consistency. That way you guys can depend on seeing me, you know, on a certain timeline. We here. I got you. Thank you so much for watching. As always, it's your girl Mia. Have a good day. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me myself. I know that I will never put myself.